Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add multiple currencies to your shop on Shopify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now, and from your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go to your settings in the bottom left. Once you do this, you'll see this menu over here. You're going to want to click on markets. Once you're here, you'll see your primary and any other secondary markets that you have, and you're going to want to make sure that international is selected as active here in the top right. And once you change it back to active, just make sure to save it here at the very top. And once you do that, then you're good to go. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go into products and pricing. And now I don't have Shopify payments installed or set up, so I technically cannot click this button. But what you're going to want to do is click here to enable show prices to customers in their local currency. And once you do that, then people will see the prices in their local currency, and you won't be required to change anything manually. Everybody, depending on their region, will see in, well, their native currency. For example, in Europe, you'll see in euros. In the US, you'll see as dollars, US dollars. In Australia, you'll see as Australian dollars. In other parts of Europe and other parts of the world, national currencies apply, I'm pretty sure, so it won't, switch to another currency that's not yours. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.